Hello class, this is Trent Specht here and talking of instructional technology and my T800. This is my third topic and probably the one I'm most excited about explaining and developing. This is FlipGrid. It's kind of new technology and on an app that is free, but like any other app, it comes with restrictions unless you pay, because money is currency and people like money, and we're in the United States and money is awesome. So FlipGrid is the idea of like Screencast-O-Matic and Google Community all coming together into one. Okay, so it's like Screencast-O-Matic because you can take videos and answer questions like that, etc. But it's also like Google Community because there's threads and you can discuss with other people on it. So why I selected this is a great way to find out information by using a video instead of typing out answers. It's a different way to look at material. And the purpose of FlipGrid is to enhance students' learning in a positive way by answering questions in a video format, kind of like Screencast-O-Matic. My intended target would have to be students. It would be getting them to use this app but also have fun and learn from it. This would save a lot of time if they use this app to their advantage. So my finished product would be continuing to add this, be a lot like Google Classroom as a setup, and have them all make sure that they are adding videos to the required topic or question. How I would use this in class would be more like personal finance, like the essay question at the end where they would have to explain in a minute and a half, or it would be like a problem where they would have to explain at the end of an algebra test or something about a word problem. And that's probably how I would use it the most. Of course, I could kind of use it however, be flexible with it. But the two standards I used was Educational 5A, create, adapt, and personalize learning experience that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs. And then Standard Education 1B, pursue professional interests by creating and actively participating in local and global learning networks. So let's get to it. FlipGrid. So of course you have to create a free account. I already created mine. Here it is. I'm logged in, so I can go right away. So how this works is I can just select a new grid. I'm going to call it Algebra 1 is my class. Grid purpose. This is chapter 2. We're going to say two-step equations. Two-step equations. Give it a little hyphen so it doesn't look like 22. Two-step equation. Now, security. How this works is I give them a link, kind of like Google Classroom or kind of like anything nowadays where you can give them a link. But it also has password protection where I can create a password to make sure that it is the right students into this required class. I can get people to follow me and they can use or get emails if need be, etc. I can make this visible, I can make it hidden. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this pug down here. Okay, so create grid. Now, create grid, but I'm going to make a topic, okay? I'm going to call it two-step equations. Two-step equations, since that's what we're kind of doing in my algebra class right now. Actually, we've moved past that, but we'll act like that's the one. I'm going to say 2x plus 5 equals 13. Okay, and I can give them a minute, I can give them 30 seconds, I can give them 5 minutes for this problem. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to say describe how to solve this equation. And of course, like I said, if I wanted to do a word problem, I would. I'm not going to do a word problem. That's probably too much to type it out showing this. So create topic, okay? So what's cool about this is here's my password. So this is what I would like write on the board or something and have them get onto FlipGrid, and that's their password to get in. So this is what it looks like. Visible topic. So I'm going to go back to my Algebra 1, and what's cool about this is I can view it as a student. Okay, so I'm going to view it as a student. So it takes me, just from the link, it takes me straight to the password. So I can't do anything until I put Longhorns Wanted. Oh, unless I mistype it. Okay, let's see if I did that correctly. Okay, here we go. So it shows up. If I had a lot more different, if I had like bought the actual thing, I can have as many as I want on here. But with this free account, you only get one. The good thing is you can delete it and create another one. So I mean, it's kind of like unlimited. You just don't get to go back and look at them once you delete it. So this is what the students look at. So this is what they look. Now your voice is awesome, and I can go ahead and add right here, and it will pick up from a Chromebook or pick up from a phone, and I can start recording. And once I'm done, it will post to the public, and I can have how many ever students I have in that class or that hour on. So pretty cool app. Definitely applicationable for our high school students, and especially with getting them to share and talk in a microphone, just kind of like we are with this class. So hope you enjoy it, and I hope you find it intriguing, and hope that maybe sometime you will use it and it will be great. Thank you for your time.